Hello guys, this is Crawford Fluff or Throw Modeler, and today I have a rather unique model kit for you guys. This is Eduard's, yes Eduard's 1 in 144 scale kit of the AVIA S-92 or CS-92, which is a Czech repurposed ME262A and B. You can see it doesn't have a box, it came in a plastic Ziploc bag originally as well. It only has two markings. You can see both are with the same color and have pretty much the same markings except for the number here on the side. That's about it. I can tell you from the outside there's nothing really going on. So let's see the kit. So the kit comes in 3 sprues, actually 4. 2 of normal plastics and 2 canopies, which count as 2 sprues. So let's check out the normal plastic first. First we have sprue A. This one contains the hull part, the fuselage part for the ME262B version or the CS-92. As you can see, very fine detailing all around. I don't see any rivets, but this is a quite an old kit. I think it's from 2005, old for 1/44 scale kit, that is. But so I can't really blame them. But the inside detailing is very nice of the gear bay. There is actually a cockpit, unlike most Eduard model kits in this scale, which unfortunately do not have the cockpit. If you saw my Junkers 87 G review, you would know that already. So check it out here in the card somewhere. The front wheels and all wheels actually aren't ribbed as on the Sweet model kits, but are still quite nicely detailed for the scale. The inside of the plane itself is quite barren, but at least you can put some of your own scratch things in it. That's for sprue A. Let's check sprue B. Sprue B contains the larger parts and the fuselage parts for the ME262A or the CS-92A AVIA. So same as the last sprue, all the detailing is rather nice, and forgot to mention, washers will be a breeze to work in this scale. So, wings, very nicely detailed. No riveting. This is strange to see an Eduard kit without any riveting. Yeah, so there is some flash here, but that's the only flash I've seen in this kit at all. So there's that. Now onto the clear parts. The two clear parts come in a separate Ziploc bag. They are beautifully molded with very crisp panel lines. You can definitely see that it's an Eduard canopy. It's very clear. It will be a real joy to mask. I can tell you that. This is the B and this is the normal ME262 canopy. I call it the ME262, but the kit says it's an S-92, so yeah, I apologize for that. So that's for the clear parts, and now let's check out the decals, however you want to call them. So this is the decal sheet. As you can see, actually quite a few decals. We have 16 in total. Actually a few more of them. I quite like them. They are very thin. I'm actually very surprised at how thin they look. Not sure. Yeah, you can see it from the shine. I have no doubts about putting these on. I think they'll go like a charm. So yeah, the color is very consistent. You know, classic Eduard stuff. All that's left to do is check out the instructions. And here are the instructions. Actually, this is the paint scheme, how you want to call it, stuff. The entire plane is painted in RLM02, which is quite a unique color choice, I must add. And this is a quite a detailed instruction um, page on how to assemble it. Of course, since there are two versions, most of the instructions have to be repeated. We also have a choice of an extension. I think this is a fuel tank, which is a nice addition, I must add. Though I did hear some complaints about there not being enough um, room to put in a weight, so you have to look around for that. Overall, very clear Eduard instructions. So let's recap it all. So this is a rather unique subject, as I mentioned it before. Um, it's only like 6-7 euros if you can find it even. This was a real tough thing to see and find. Um, I got it pretty cheaply, 8 euros. Okay, a bit more, um, but I think it's worth it. I would pay even 10, um, because it's so unique. You have two different fuselage. You can choose what you want to build basically. Also, you have a Czech version, which is rather unique as well. I quite like these small 144 scale kits, and I think this one is going to be a great addition to my collection. And I think it would work for everyone's collection, both new and old modelers alike. So yeah, I highly recommend this kit. I hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.